Hey everybody, it's Eddie Z here, and today I'm dropping some serious knowledge about what is the ultimate weapon in your trading arsenal for 2025. We're talking about the Intel killer itself, that is the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D processor. And we're going to talk about why this beast, paired with the AI trading ready NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card, makes the Gladiator X3D easy trading computer the most future-proof setup you can get your hands on today. Look, I've been in this game for decades, building trading computers and watching traders struggle with outdated hardware that costs them real money. Today, I'm going to break down why this combination is going to change everything for serious traders who refuse to leave profits on the table. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Intel has dominated the high-performance trading computer space for years, but their reign is officially over. The AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D processor isn't just another CPU. It's a complete game changer that's more powerful than anything Intel has thrown at the market. When I say Intel killer, I mean it's literally faster than every Intel desktop processor that we have ever tested in our facility. And here's what makes this processor absolutely insane for traders. It's their new 3D cache technology that gives it massive amounts of ultra-fast memory directly on the chip. Think of it like having a photographic memory while everyone else is flipping through notebooks. Apps like TradeStation, Thinkorswim, TradingView, NinjaTrader, and MetaTrader 5 all feel faster when running this chip. Charts load smoother, scans run faster, and get this, backtests, if you're into backtesting, they finish in record time, way faster than Intel. And that's because the Ryzen 9's huge 3D V-cache keeps more of your market data right on the chip. It's not going back and forth to the drive. So it's lightning fast when every single second counts, because those backtests can take a really long time. But here's where it gets really interesting for traders. This isn't just about raw speed. It's about consistency under pressure. When markets are volatile and you've got multiple platforms running, you've got newsfeed streaming, you have complex calculations happening simultaneously, this processor does not break a sweat. Now let's talk about future-proofing, because this is where most traders mess up big time. They buy based on today's needs and get blindsided by tomorrow's requirements. The trading world is rapidly shifting towards AI-powered everything. I know you've seen it. You hear about it every day in the news. AI charting, AI pattern recognition, AI backtesting, and AI market analysis. And all this computational horsepower doesn't just run on your processor, it demands serious graphics processing power as well. And that's where the NVIDIA RTX 5060 comes in. And this is where we separate the amateurs from the pros. Most traders think graphics cards are just for gamers, but they're dead wrong. The NVIDIA RTX 5060 is specifically engineered for AI workloads. It's got something called tensor cores that accelerate machine learning tasks, and when trading platforms start rolling out AI features over the next few years, you'll be ready while everyone else is scrambling to upgrade. This video card also handles multiple 4K monitors without any issue. It processes real-time video streams effortlessly, and it gives you the horsepower to run next-generation trading software that hasn't even been released yet. While other traders are dealing with stuttering charts and laggy interfaces, you'll be operating at peak efficiency. But that's not all. The Gladiator also comes equipped with the latest and most reliable NVMe solid-state hard drive on the market. And this isn't just storage. It's lightning-fast performance that loads your trading apps and data and charts in seconds. And when every tick matters, you don't want your system waiting on some slow hard drive. Traders need immediate access to market data, and this next-gen NVMe drive delivers that kind of speed every single day. And most importantly, because reliability matters just as much as speed, every Gladiator Easy Trading computer includes a 5-year warranty, everything inside that computer case. And it comes with lifetime premium tech support from our in-house based team that actually understands trading. We only deal with traders, no one else. So when you call, you're not getting a script reader from overseas. You're talking to a real expert who knows your setup inside and out. That's peace of mind that no other company offers. This combination of the 99X3D and the NVIDIA RTX 5060 creates what I call a computational powerhouse that's built for the next generation of trading evolution. When algorithmic trading becomes more accessible, when AI assistants start analyzing your trades in real time, when augmented reality trading interfaces become mainstream, yes, they're coming. This setup will handle it all without missing a beat. But let's talk real-world trading scenario today. Picture this. The market opens, volatility spikes. You've got TradingView running multiple time frames. You've got Thinkorswim open, executing complex option strategies. You got Excel open, calculating position sizes. You got a Bloomberg video feed coming in, and you maybe have a Zoom call with your trading group, and you've got Chrome open with 15 tabs of research open. Most systems would crawl to a halt, but the Gladiator X3D Easy Trading Computer processes everything simultaneously without any lag. And that split-second advantage when news breaks can mean the difference between catching a breakout or watching it from the sidelines. When every millisecond counts, having the fastest consumer processor ever created gives you an edge that translates directly into profit. And the RTX 5060 graphics card ensures your multiple monitor setup runs flawlessly. Whether you're running 4 screens or 8, every chart updates instantly, every video stream runs smoothly, and you'll never lose visual clarity when it matters most. Plus, as trading platforms integrate more sophisticated graphics and visual analytics, you'll have the horsepower to take advantage of every single feature. This isn't just about having the latest technology, it's about investing in a foundation that grows with the industry. And the Gladiator represents the pinnacle of trading computer engineering. When you're ready to stop settling for mediocre performance and start trading like a professional with professional-grade hardware, I'd put the Gladiator X3D Easy Trading Computer on sale for a limited time just for you. The link is in the description right below this video. This is Eddie Z reminding you that in trading, your tools are your weapons. Make sure you're bringing the right ones to battle. Thanks for watching. And if you want to know the absolute best laptop for trading, watch this video next.